Hello to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first, and this is the hourly time frame. We can see that there is a key support zone at 1.0657 and that market rejected today, so there is a chance for even further rotation upside, eventually towards the 1.0715 and 725, and that scenario is probably most likely based on this condition and this the levels that we're trading around. Now the alternative scenario for the Euro versus US dollar will be if the market can trade below 1.0655, stays below, and then we can see potential rotation downside towards the 1.0615 or 1.0600 mark. Now, speaking of the gold market, we can see in the background that we had a breakout of the triangle, more like a triangle pattern, and the upside every time the market will try to rally, there was a more selling coming. So the same thing here. So most likely scenario is the market to trade lower, rotate towards the 1944 or even lower towards the 1930 mark or 1920 mark. Now, alternative scenario for the gold will be if the market can trade higher above the 1969 and hold above, then there is a chance for rotation up towards the 1988 or even 2000 mark. This can also be the running flat type of correction, and if this is a running flat, then there is a more downside potential on the gold market. Crude oil is trading in consolidation. It's basically in the middle of the consolidation, so we have a resistance at 77.93 and support around 75.35 mark. So if the market can trade higher and hold above 77.90 mark, then there is a chance for the upside movement towards the 81 mark. If the market can trade lower below the 75.39 and hold below, there is a chance for the downside movement towards 72.45. So consolidation and potential for the breakout in the next period on the crude oil. And speaking of the Bitcoin, market actually had a strong reaction from sellers. So we can see that after the breakout, market went all the way to almost 38,000 mark. There was aggressive sellers kicked in all the way down towards the 35,700, and now market is doing the consolidation. So if the market can clear the low at 35,700, there is a chance chance for the lower prices and for the retest of 34,600. From the other side, if market can break 37,000 and hold above, and there is a chance for the retest of the 38,000 mark. That will be all for this update. I hope, guys, that you did enjoy. Have a good weekend, trade safe, and speak to you from next week from Monday.